My name is Keely Dearing, and this is my D&E number 2, and I'm going to be doing it over elapsed time. Here I have a problem, and it says, my movie is 2 hours and 30 minutes long. I got out of the movies at 1:30 p.m. What time did the movie start? So we're initially looking for our elapsed time so that we can find our start time of our movie. So we know that it's 2 hours and 30 minutes time, and we got out at 1:30 p.m. So I'm going to show you two different methods that can help us find our elapsed time to find our start time. So I'm going to start out with a time number line. And here I have written out, it's just from 7 to 3. Everything in blue is my AM, because it is before 12 o'clock noon. Everything after 12 o'clock is going to be in black is going to be my PM. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is we're gonna find our 1:30 on our number line. So we know that 12 o'clock noon is right here. So we're gonna need to go to the right to find our, because it says 1:30 p.m. So I'm just gonna start at 12, or I'm just gonna start at my 1 and I'm gonna jump to my 30. So here's my 1 and my 15 and my 30. So here's my 1:30 and I'm just gonna put a little dot right there so we know that that was our end time. Okay, so now what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna need to go back 2 hours and 30 minutes. The easiest way to do that is we're gonna jump back 30 minutes. So here we are at our 1:30 and we're gonna just jump our 30. We're gonna go right there and that ends us at 1 p.m. So now what we need to do is we still need to make our jump 2 hours back. So 1 hour is 60 minutes long, so we're just gonna jump back 1 hour and see where we land. So we're at our 1 p.m. and let's jump back an hour, which is 60 minutes. That puts us at our 12 o'clock noon, and we still have 60 minutes left. So let's jump back another 60. And that ends us at 11 a.m. That's what time our movie started. We started our movie at 11 a.m. and after 2 hours and 30 minutes, we ended up at 1:30 p.m. Another way that I'm gonna show you is, this is what I like to call a time tracker, and this is gonna help us keep track of our elapsed time so we know that we're not going under or over our time. So it's 2 hours and 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna track my 30. I'm gonna write my 30 minutes because that's what we did first. We jumped back 30. So I write down my 30, then we jump back an hour. So I'm just gonna put a 1 and a 0 because we only jumped back an hour. I'm gonna look back and see that we jumped another 60 minutes. So I'm gonna write that. And now you just add it up. So 30 plus 0 and 0 is 30. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. So we know that we kept track of our elapsed time and we only jumped back 2 hours and 30 minutes in order to find our start time.